Hello everyone, this is Tanya this side and we are once again together for Game Plan of Fan Clash, and it is the only Indian platform for fantasy esports. Today we have got two matches all together, but we'll start with the very first one. It is going to be for Republic Tip Top Season 2, Fnatic versus Team SAW. It is going to be 23:30 sharp. Two teams very renowned, without a doubt, very strong, but definitely Fnatic is a two-step ahead or maybe even furthermore. Let's start talking about the rosters though. Talking about the rosters here, Fnatic has got Crims, Alex, Muya, Brolin and Mezi. None of the players needs any introduction. We have seen them for so long, and Crims definitely is my personal favorite, and I'll tell you why Crims turned my favorite player. Before that, we are going to talk about the second team for the day, which is going to be Team SAW. For Team SAW, we have got Arki, we have got Muterus, we have got RNM, we have got Just, and Just is just the finisher for the opponents, and on the other, and the last player for the team is going to be Stadodo. Now both the teams have got very good play. Dust 2, Team SAW has got a little extra upper hand, except for the better performances coming in from Team Fnatic in the maps of Mirage, Inferno. If you only had to predict about which team has got a better chances to win, I would definitely say that Team Fnatic has got an upper hand and might win it out. But over here we are together talking about which 5 players are going to perform out of all 10 players playing. Nuke, Team SAW has got an upper hand in terms of map Nuke. If you have a look at team map Overpass, undoubtedly Fnatic is going to outstand it, and Vertigo and Ancient upper hand by Team SAW. We have talked about maps, we have talked about teams, we have talked about players. Now it is my turn to create a game plan by Fan Clash, especially for this particular match. And if we talk about two players, immediate head-to-head comparison, if I had to go for, I would go for Smuyao and Just. These two players are going to go immediately into my fantasy team, and I like the gameplay of Smuya, I like the gameplay of Just, and I think Just might be the player who might give a good finisher to Team Fnatic. Last but not the least, I was talking about why I choose Crims over above and beyond any other player. I have seen him taking some clutches. Yeah, I have seen him defending very strongly, and he is my personal favorite player, and I do expect that he is going to outshine without a doubt. And now we do have other players as well. I always like to pick one. I always want to have a one risky pick, and today it is going to be RMN for this match. And why RMN? Well, I know his kills per round on an average are a little less compared to his teammate, but his impact is very strong. So due to that particular impact, I'm going to go for RMN. And last but not the least, it is the time that I go for my fifth pick for the day, and I would go for, even I am thinking whom should I select, and I'd select I would want to again go for Team Fnatic, and it is going to be Brolin. And these are my picks for the fantasy esports game plan by Fan Clash. And if you have yet not chosen, make sure you do it now. Now here we go ahead with the next match for the day, and next match for the day is going to be FunSpark RT 2021 Europe Regionals. It is going to be between Indie Array versus Eternal Fire. Yesterday we did talk about Indie Array. Now today again we have got the matches. It is again on 15th of November 9:30 sharp. Again we'll talk about the roster. Indie Array, DevCost, Facecrack, Railway, Hurt, Frisk and Flaween, and next team, which is going to be Eternal Fire. It is between Xantares, Voxic, Calyx, IMO-RR and Xcloud. First we'll talk about the map. Dust 2, definitely it is going to be Eternal Fire who has got upper hand there, and Mirage goes into the favor, mostly into the favor of Indie Array. Inferno goes into the favor of Eternal Fire. If we just had to talk about if these two teams battling against each other, who is going to win, I would again choose for Indie Array, who might perform better against Team Eternal Fire. Now these are the 10 players participating, but we have to talk about my personal game plans by Fan Clash, who might win it out, who might outperform out of all 10 players. Which are those 5 players? Now, first of all, as always, I'll go for the head-to-head comparison, and for the head-to-head comparison, I would go for Devcost versus Xanthers, and I know Xanthers has got a better kills per round average, but still, these are the two immediate players I would want to pick for myself. And once again, if I had to go for the next pick, I would go for Face Crack without a doubt. He has been performing very well. He has showed his set of skills various times, and once again, I think Face Crack might be a player, game changer player for the team today. And for the Eternal Fire, if I had to pick any team, any player, we have chosen one, and the next one I would go for. Definitely, I would go for Voxic without a doubt. And Voxic is a very good, impactful player, and he is delivering a lot of damage. He does get a lot of assists, and I think he would be a very supportive player for his team and for my personal fantasy sports team as well. Now we are going to head towards the last player. Now this is the time that I say I'm going to go for a risky pick with the answer no. I'm not going for the risky pick. I'm going for the safe pick, which is going to be Hurt Frisk. I think he might be a better player. So these are my 5 players selected for the match today: Indie Array versus Eternal Fire. And if you have not yet chosen the players, if you have not yet chosen the teams, make sure you do it right here. This is India's only fantasy esports play available right now. Make sure you create your dream team whom you think are going to perform. This is Tanya signing off. You're going to see me again and again. So for now, I'll say a goodbye and good luck to all 4 teams and all 4 matches today.